2025, like the years before that, has started off with a bang. It was interesting. At the end of last year, I saw a couple of new patients and we did consultations with them just before we closed. And one of the questions I always ask my patients is, how do you score your stress levels, rated out of 10? And all of them scored it above an 8. So when I saw them last week to take a look at their results, I asked the question again, and all of them not only felt better with the symptoms they presented, but they reported lower stress levels. So obviously, it needed to be the holiday that they had that played a contributing factor. And I asked them, what did they do during holidays that lowered their stress levels? All of them said they ate, they socialized, but they had time to de-stress by looking at the ocean or just sitting at the pool and being quiet. For all of us that are in professional environments, where the pace of the year keeps on picking up from day one, I want to implore you to use the skills and the knowledge that we have about managing stress in the workplace from day one. If we can get into the routine of exercising regularly, having quiet time, being mindful about yourself, and quieting the voices in your head that keeps on telling you to do this, do that, I have to remember this. Get enough sleep. Stay in a good sleep routine where you try and get at least 7 hours of sleep. And if you don't get it, ask the question, am I refreshed in the morning? And when you are not, reach out to your healthcare provider. It might be a sign of obstructive breathing, which will lead to further problems. Stress has an impact on every system in the body, especially our immune system and our cognitive and mental functioning. So let's make 2025 the year that we treat our health like we treat our careers, with time and dedication. If you need help in this regard, or just want to do a couple of screening tests, call us at the T Clinic on 010 824 1393.